What's up, guys? Welcome to day 2 of trying to post for 7 days straight. Right now we're heading to the car wash. If you're in the San Diego area, this is Happy Cow in the Rancho San Diego town. This one's pretty awesome. It's got nice dryers. It's always clean, and often when I go there I do see cool cars there. So if you've never been to that one, check it out. If you like to clean the car yourself, try out that location. Maybe I'll see you there. If you see me, say what's up. But yeah, we're gonna drive there. 4 minutes away right now. Just got off the highway. Echoes off the wall so nicely. Alright, so the music's playing, but my technique for this is I'm gonna do the spot-free rinse first to rinse off the car, then I do the pre-soak, then I do the high pressure wash, soap, and then I go back to spot-free rinse, and then I do the air dry after. So since the music's playing, this will just be a little montage, and then I'll play some music over it. Just finished up the car. Looks so good when it's clean all the time, every time, especially right here when you get to this angle and you can start to see the structural glue really start to pop. Gosh, I love this car. All right, so I just finished, like I said, but now I'm kind of hungry, so I'm about to go to the spot, get me a little chicken sandwich, and I might as well take you guys along for the journey. So let's hop back on the car, get on the highway. You know, there's just something about having a clean car that just it makes me feel so good. But yeah, where we're heading to is, I think it's Rosemary's Buns and Brew. I went there one time and had these like mini sliders, and I was just like, damn, this chicken sandwich is so good, I have to have another one someday. And today is that day. So yeah, we're gonna head there. It's about 23 minutes of a drive. Supposedly there's police right here, so let me slow down a little bit. And yeah, we'll get some sounds of the LC on the way there. And then after that, next update will be at the shop. So let's go have some fun. Get a nice meaty downshift right here. Oh, little high pitch downshift in the third. Hit a little rev limiter now. It's so fun. Downshift. Alrighty, just finished eating. About to head in the car, head back home. Thank you for tuning in to day 2 of trying to post every single day for 7 days. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.